Alola trainers, I'm Frosted Caribou, a Pokemon TCG collector and player, and I'm here today to quickly show you how to download the Pokemon trading card game online. First things first, you'll have to create an account. So go to Pokemon.com, click the green login button at the top left-hand corner, and then click Create an Account. On the next screen, enter your birthday and your country. Think of a login username that you'll use to log into your account, and a trusty password. You'll also need to enter your email address and confirm it as well. Now you'll get to choose your username. This will be the name people will see when they're battling against you and how they can find you to add you to your friends list. So make sure it's something super sweet. Finally, you'll accept the terms and conditions, verify your CAPTCHA, and then you'll need to go into your email and verify the account that you just created. Now that you have your own Pokemon account and registered ID, you just need the game to start playing. To get it, first go to the link in the description. There you'll find a list of different platforms that the game is on. You'll have to find your personal device that you want to play on and click the orange icon next to it to start the download. The setup wizard for the game will appear and you can click next to start the setup of your game. First, you'll accept the terms of use and then click Next. In the next screen, it'll allow you to choose the folder you want to store the program in. We recommend just sticking with the default folder. Then click the Next button and the Installation button, and the installation for your game will begin. Once you click the Finish button, your game will start loading up, and since you already have a login ID, you can just log into your account and start playing the Pokemon trading card game online. So enjoy the platform, enjoy your games, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye!